Router protocol, staking, farming, and a possible airdrop with rewards? Let's take a look. Welcome back to the APY Guide channel, where I try to bring you the best sources of passive income and low market cap gems that could have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to this channel and drop a like on this video. I greatly appreciate it. Nothing in this video or on this channel is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Sorry I haven't done a video in a few days, almost a week, probably over a week. I actually got really sick. I was in the hospital for a few days. Make sure you guys take care of your health because you got nothing without your health. All right, today we're going to take a look at router protocol again. There's some interesting things going on with it that I think are going a little under the radar. A lot of things are pumping. It's been around in the $4 range, $4.20 up to maybe $4.50, $4.60. And they're doing some cool things. The first thing I wanted to mention is they still have the staking and farming on DFYN network. Stay tuned to the end of the video though. There's some really cool things going on with their NITRO project, and there's a possible airdrop, and it looks like more than an airdrop. It looks like there's going to be multiple opportunities to get into different coins and actually earn some route tokens as well. Okay, I'm trying to start off these videos by showing what you need to get into these projects or staking or farming. And the wallet I'm using is MetaMask, and you have to have the Polygon network on your MetaMask. Or they read it under Polygon, not Matic. So you're going to be on the Polygon network. And then you also need to be on dfyn.network. That's dfyn.network. Okay, once you're there, you're going to go to launch the dApp. And it's going to ask you to connect your MetaMask. You do that. And then you're going to go to farms. We're going to take a look here. There's two that I'm interested in. The one is obviously the Route USDC pool, which is paying out 64.97% APR. And I don't know, the Route single staking has gone up a lot in APR. It's 8.21. So I'm going to start adding to that because that's a lot more than it used to be. It used to be 1 or 2%. Now, obviously, the more people that get in, the lower the APR is going to get to be. But it's gone up, so people are either getting out. They have to be getting out. That's the only way that it would go down. So they run through. There's going to be the rewards end in 43 days. It looks like, and it should be okay. The Route USDC ends in 7 days. So if you stake in the Route single asset farm, you got a lot more time to go. You got 43 days to do that. It's very simple. You just click on it, and then you approve and deposit like any other. You would hit max, and then approve, and then deposit into the farm. I'm just going to go ahead and do it with what I have here. I have to connect my ledger. If you don't have a ledger, you should get one, or some other type of hardware wallet, because you can easily hit a few buttons incorrectly and get your whole account drained. I know people that have had it happen to them, and that's got to be the worst feeling in the world. It's going to cost 1 penny in Matic. That's why I love Matic. I think Matic's one of the cheapest still. There are a lot of cheap ones now. Okay, once that goes through, and it was only like 0.68. I approved the route. Now I'm going to deposit. And confirm on my ledger. And then it says deposited. Okay, so we're good. Those are the two pools I'm interested in: the USDC, the FYN token. I'm not really interested in that one at all. So, um, okay, I'm not going to go through this whole Twitter post, but I'm just going to go through the parts that I wanted to. If you're not following me on Twitter, please do. It's at the underscore APY underscore guy. That's at the underscore APY underscore guy. So router protocol. If we go up here, it says router NITRO offers the most efficient way to transfer assets from 15 plus EVM and non-EVM chains to Blast, ensuring that you save gas while enjoying fast and secure cross-chain transactions. So this Blast network is a new L2, an Ethereum L2. They're offering different rewards for using it. If you want to go into this and look at it in depth, you can. I think I retweeted this. I will retweet this after. But what we're going to look at is the incentive program for NITRO that can possibly get you route tokens basically for free. I'll show you what you have to do. So if we go back to router and NITRO, if we go to the dashboard, it kind of shows you your transactions. It shows you how much you would have you saved by using NITRO, and the incentive program is here. Okay, if we go to rewards, what you do is you make swaps on NITRO. So if you wanted to swap between, Polygon and Avalanche, that's the cheapest one to do it on that I found. If you find a cheaper one, let me know. So what you do is if you swap on there, you earn these rewards. I don't know why they used carrots as a thing, but they got some bunny theme going, I guess. So anyway, what you do is the first swap that you make, you get this free NFT. And then every swap that you make afterwards, you earn 20 carrots, I believe what it is. And it says how to play. It says bridge transactions through NITRO and 1 carrots. Refer friends to earn more carrots. I'll put my referral in the description of this video. But what I'm interested in is where they're saying here. It says earn future router ecosystem project rewards via carrots. Feed carrots to the rabbit and become eligible for exclusive ecosystem rewards. And then it says it gives you details on if you don't do a transaction for so many days that you can lose your tokens or you lose your carrots. But you basically try to make this NFT a better NFT, and if you get up to a certain level, that you're going to get more incentives from it. And they say including route tokens. So that's why I was really interested in it. There's going to be some other games and stuff that they include in there, but I thought it was cool. It was worth mentioning for sure. I wanted to cover router again anyway, and then I stumbled upon this the other day. So please, if you do this, please use my referral, and I will leave that in the comments of this video. But not in the comments, in the description of this video. Sorry, I'm still under the weather. But if you do a transaction, the cheapest I found is Matic the Polygon, and I sometimes want to add to my to Avalanche anyway. So Matic is basically the cheapest token to take from an exchange to your wallet. So if you want tokens on any of these networks, it's cheaper. It is cheaper to send it to your MetaMask and then send it from NITRO to whatever network you want. They got Ethereum on here. They got ZK Sync. They got Arbitrum, Polygon, Blast is what they're promoting. A bunch of other ones. Avalanche, obviously, Binance Smart Chain, Base. Base is one that it's tough to bridge to. So if you're able to bridge to Base, that's a good one. Optimism is a good one. So there's a lot of different ones on here you can bridge to, and then at the same time you're earning these rewards possibly, and then you just stack these rewards, and then you just have to make one swap to get this NFT, and then when you get to a certain amount, you can power it up. So I thought it was a cool thing. I don't know why they use the rabbit and carrots, but it looks like a kid's thing. But at the same time, if I can earn some route tokens, I'll definitely do that. So I'm going to try to make a few more videos. Let's look at the chart for route actually. Where's route at? I got to clean this up. I got too many tokens on there. Some I don't. Yeah, it's right at support right now. So, yeah, and it's got a on the 3 hour. Why am I on the 3 hour? But it's got a yellow dot on the 3 hour. Oh, so it's definitely got one on the 2 hour. That means it's going to run up. Let's see what the 4 hour looks like. Not quite, but the 3 hours got it. That's interesting. So yeah, it looks like router might run up quite a bit. So like I said, I'm going to make a few more videos in the near future. Sorry for the delay, guys, but I was definitely really sick. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and drop a like on the video. And if you do use that NITRO program, which I think it's really a cool swap. This is what router was always talking about, is they're going to have cheap swaps, and then they were going to have new apps to swap on, and this is one of them. This one they have now that just came out, so it's worth taking a look. So as always, thank you for watching and have a great day.